Alright, we're gonna try this shit one more time. Yeah, go inside. Or go in your jumper. Go in your jumper.
¿Cabe esta putada? Damn, nigga, that shit is... Why you got it so... Oh, fuck, I burned myself. That's a little bottle?
No, it's this big bottle. I just got it squashed up like that.
Oh, shit, it's gonna take forever.
Steeps. Yeah? No, you said get the air out of it.
But not that much.
Yeah, it'll be good. That way we could.
That way it has time to burn?
Yeah.
Shake it up a little bit, too.
Take it up?
Yeah.
Look, it's not sealing all the way.
I got a hole in it.
Oh, shit.
I seen that shit get in front of my face.
I don't even want to fucking go and check over there.
Is it getting big?
I don't know, dog.
Dude, what's the day?
Not popping, fool.
Where is it? Am I close to it?
Yeah. You can jump over. Here, hold it. Hold this. Hold this. Hold the camera like that. Hold the camera. I'm gonna look over. I'm gonna jump over. ¡A la verga! Damn, son. Ah, chill out, Mia. Yeah, yeah.